Did you know it's actually super easy to give different prices to different customers on your Shopify store? For example, VIP customers get one level of pricing, but wholesale customers get a completely different price, all on the same products on the same Shopify store. But what if you have bulk pricing rules for different customers too? No problem. You can do all of that. With the Bold Customer Pricing app, you can offer different bulk pricing rules for different customer groups. So for example, your retail customers might get bulk pricing at buy 2, get 5% off, buy 5, get 10% off, but your wholesale customers get bulk pricing at 50 or 100. If you need to offer different prices to different customers without coupon codes, this is the only way to do it on Shopify. You can get started today for free and have VIP pricing on your store in less than 5 minutes. Comment below with the bag of money emoji and we'll DM you all the details.